Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can gift V-Bucks in Fortnite. Let's begin. First, once you have your Fortnite opened, I want you to go over here, passes, and over here, you could just easily click on the OG pass and it's able to give this pass or gift a V-Bucks to your friends. All right. Make sure that your account is already verified and you have enabled two-factor authentication. Another way is to click on the shop, which is the easiest way. And you can choose any skin. For example, this skin. Okay. Now, usually you'll just purchase this using your own V-Bucks, but instead you can easily give this to your friends, which cost this amount of V-Bucks. Again, so make sure your account is verified and you have enabled your two-factor authentication. So click on gift and you should be able to select which friends you would like to give this skin to. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.